Hi all. In this short video I want to show you how I can make a Toyota Supra from Plasticine. I make it from this very hard NSP hard Plasticine. At the moment, almost the entire body is ready. Except the hood, trunk and roof. But it already looks very good. There are recognizable features of a real Supra. To make it out of Plasticine, first I started making the bottom, creating the necessary shapes for attaching the frame and body elements. When I had already isolated the main bottom, I added the exhaust system and other elements. Next I made the frame for the body. After that, the side parts of the body were attached to this frame. And so that the Plasticine is durable, I tightly stuck the foil to it, as it holds the Plasticine in the desired shape and keeps it strong. The body parts are thin, 1 mm thick. I cut them out of these sheets of Plasticine. So far the car is about 50% ready. I think that in another week I'll finish making it. Your likes will speed up the release of a new video about Plasticine Supra. The more likes, the faster I will release a video with a review and crash test of this wonderful Plasticine machine. To create my cars, I use drawings. I always compare and apply so that everything is accurate and even. This is how I always make my cars out of Plasticine. If you liked how I can make Toyota Supra from Plasticine, click likes and subscribe to my original channel if you are interested in my work. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next videos.